Hey, I just got these grinders in. They're super cool. Check it out. Watch this. Oh yeah. Yeah, you see that? It's got a magnetic top. Pretty neat. So, I was gonna show you some stuff, but if you stick with me, I'll show you some little B-roll footage that I put together of some up-close stuff. Alright? Let's check it out. Hey, what's going on? I just wanted to show you guys an up-close picture of this sharpstone. This thing is pretty cool. You can use, I guess you could grind up coffee in it. It's pretty sharp, razor sharp. Unscrew this part. That's where all the contents fall into this screen right here. Pretty cool. And then, underneath, you have basically the collection tray. And it gives you a little scraper too. So that's actually pretty cool, isn't it? Yeah. So that's cool. So I just wanted to let you guys see that. And check out Sharpstone. Stuff's cool. Alright? See ya.